Hello everyone students. Today in this video I am going to explain you understanding quadrilateral from NCERT book exercise 3.1. Question number 1, given here are some figure. In this question 8 figures are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have to classify that on the basis of this figure we have to classify that simple curve. Which one is simple curve? Which one is simple curve? Question number figure 1, figure 2, figure 5, 6 and 7 are simple curve. B, simple closed curve. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 5, figure 6 and 7 are simple closed curve. Polygon, figure 2, and polygon figure 1 and 2. Convex polygon figure 2 only, and concave polygon figure 1 only. Second question. Second question, we have to find out how many diagonals does each of the following have. A, convex quadrilateral 2 diagonals, regular hexagon 9 diagonals, a triangle 0. Why 0? Because in triangle there is no diagonal. Okay, come to question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 4. To find the sum of the angles. To find the sum of the angles, there is one formula. I have written here n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of side. N is the number of side. See, figure I made here one column and side is also given in second column, and third column I have find out angle sum. Figure 1c, triangles figure is there. How many side we can count? 1, 2, 3. So how many side? 3 side. Formula is n minus 2 into 180. I told you n means number of side. So side is given 3. So we can put 3 as the value of n. So 3 minus 2 into 180. Now you subtract first 3 minus 2, 1 into 180. So 1 into 180, if you multiply it will come 180 degree. Second figure, you can count how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Same again formula, n minus 2 into 180. N is the side. So the value of n is 4. 4 minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 you subtract, it comes 2. 2 into 180. You multiply, it will come 360 degree. Figure 3. See, you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. Same formula, n minus 2 into 180 equal to, the value of n is 5. We have put it here 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Now you subtract 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into 180. If you multiply, it will come 540 degree. Next figure, 6 sides is there. How you can count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 side is there. So n is 6. I have written again formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. The value of n is 6. We put here 6. 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. 6 minus 2 you subtract, it comes 4. 4 into 180 degree. You multiply, it will come 720 degree. Same, we have to find out when side is given 7, when side is given 8, 9, 10 and n. Okay, this is also the part of the question 4. We have to find when side is given 7. Same formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is given 7. 7 minus 2, 5 into 180. If you multiply, it will come 900. When side is given 8, n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to, we put the value of n is 8. 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. 8 minus 2, it comes 6. 6 into 180 degree, you multiply, it will come 1080. When n is 10, again same formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2, 10 is the value of n. Subtract it, it comes 8. 8 into 180 degree, you multiply, it will come 1440. When the value of n is n, then don't worry, just you put in formula, n is the value, okay, n minus 2 into 180, so this is the answer. Okay, so this way question number 4 is complete. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5. What is regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? Answer is, a polygon having all sides equal and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. Second part question, state the name of regular polygon of when 3 sides means equilateral triangle, when 4 sides is square, 6 sides regular hexagon. Only have to write the name. Okay, come to question number 6. Question number 6. Find the angles measure x in the following figure. Question number 6. Figure is there. Question figure A. This figure is given and you have to find the value of x. This quadrilateral, this figure, 4 angles are here given. Out of 4, 3 value of 3 angles. The value of 3 angles are given. We have to find the fourth one. As we know that sum of measure of all interior angles, sum of the measures of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, as we know. Okay, so just we can put, we start from here, 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Okay, now you can add it, 50 plus 130 plus 120, it comes 300 plus x equal to 360 degree. Okay, this is also clear. Next step, 300 send right side after equal, then x is equal to 360 minus 300. You subtract it, x is equal to 360 degree. This is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of x. Now B. In this figure, two values have given 60 degree, 70 degree, and here this angle is given x and this side is given 90 degree. So I suppose that this is angle A. Okay, from figure, this figure, this is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 plus A equal to 180 degree. 90 plus A equal to 180 degree by linear pair. From this figure, first we will find this angle. If you add 90 plus A equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Now 90 you send right side. So therefore A equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. So this way you can find first the value of A. Now this is 90 degree also. The value of A is 90 degree. After that, out of 4 we can know the 3 angles, one angle is left. As we know that sum of the measures of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. According to question, we start from here 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree. This after that 60, okay, you have written here, you add it 60 plus 70 plus 90 degree, it comes 220 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Okay, then this 220 you send right side, after equal x is equal to 360 minus 220 degree, you subtract now, it comes 140 degree. This is the answer. Okay, this way. After that, figure C. In this figure, see, in this figure, here exterior angle is given, interior angle 30 degree is given here, and these two angles are equal, x or x, and this exterior angle is given 70 degree. So first of all, from the figure, first we try to find from here 70 degree plus a equal to 180 degree by linear pair. As we know that 70 plus a equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So a equal to 70 will come right side, 180 degree minus 70 degree. You subtract, it comes 110 degree. So the value of a is 110 degree. After that, this angle B will find 60 degree plus B equal to 180 degree, again by linear pair. Then B equal to, this 60 will come right side, B equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, B equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degree. So the value of B is B equal to 120 degree. Okay, so this way we know the value of A and the value of B. So okay, as we know that sum of the measure of all interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Sum of measure of all interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. According to question, we can write from here 110 degree, the value of A, the value of B is 120 degree plus x plus 130 degree, no sorry 30 degree plus x equal to 540. 110 this one, 120 the value of B, x this one, and 30 degree is given, again x equal to 540, because sum of the measure of all interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degree. Now you can add x plus x, 2x. After that, this 110, 120 and 30 degree, if we add, it comes 260 degree. Next step, you send this 260 right side, then so the 2x is equal to 540 minus 260 degree. You subtract, it comes 280 degree. 2x is equal to 280 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 280 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8 and 0. What comes? 140 degree. So now we find the value of x. X equal to 140 degree. Answer has come. Okay. Answer has come. See, now you can write. Again I am explaining. Okay. Again. 110 degree plus 120 degree plus x plus 30 degree plus x equal to 540 degree. X or x, if you add 2x, 110 120, 130. If you add, it comes to 60 degree, equal to 540 degree. Then 2x is equal to 260, you send right side after equal and subtract it. 540 minus 260, it comes 280 degree. Then x is equal to 280 by 2. If you cancel, it comes 140 degree. So this way you can find the value of x. Okay. Now, figure D. Figure D. Sum of the measure of all interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degree. We know. In this figure, all the angles are equal. Okay. So we can edit x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540 degree. So 5x is equal to 540. Therefore x is equal to 540 by 5. If you cut, it will come 108 degree. This is the answer. Is it clear? So question number 6, this way we can complete. Okay. Come to question number 7. Okay. Come to question number 7. Question number 7, we have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay, and this is the figure. Internal value is given 90 degree and 30 degree. So we start from here to x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, x is equal to then 180 degree minus 90 degree. What comes? 180 minus 90? 90 degree. So therefore the value of x is equal to 90 degree. Okay. After that, this angle we will find. Z plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Same properties by linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. Z equal to then 30, send right side, 180 degree minus 30 degree equal to, you subtract, it comes 150 degree. So the value of Z comes 150 degree. Okay. Now what is left? Y. Okay. So we can add y plus y. Directly we can find. See here, the y equal to 90 plus 30 degree. 90 degree plus 30 degree by external theorem, exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Okay, y is equal to 90 plus 30 due to exterior angle theorem. 90 plus 30, you will add it 120 degree. This is the answer of the value of y. The value of y is 120 degree. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of here given x plus yz. Now when we know the value of x, y, z, we have to add it. Now x plus y plus z. Okay. So we can add it. The value of x is 90 degree plus y is 120 degree plus z is 150 degree. Okay, you can add, it comes 360 degree. Is it clear now? Okay, after that one figure is left. In this question 7, A I have done and B is left. Now come to next question. See, this is the figure. We have to find the value of x, y, z and w. Okay. As we know that sum of the measure of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of the measure of all interior angles. These are the interior angles 120 degree, 80 degree, 60 degree. This angle is not given. Suppose that this is angle A. Okay. If we add, it comes 360 degree. So now we start from here. A plus 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree equal to 360 degree. Okay. So A plus, if you add 60 plus 80 plus 120, it comes 260 degree equal to 360 degree. Okay. After that, A equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree comes 100 degree. If you subtract, it comes 100 degree. So the value of A easily you can find the value of A. Okay, this is the value of A. After that, we can find the value x. Same process by linear pair 120 degree plus x. Okay, now we start. X plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. By linear pair. So x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So value of x is 60 degree. Therefore the value of x is 60 degree. After that, we find the value of y. Y plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Again we will write here y plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. Y equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. So this way we can find the value of y. After that, see here again two values left, z plus 60 equal to 180 degree. Z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Same by linear pair. Then z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Next step, z equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. What comes 180 minus 60? It comes 120 degree. So this way we find the value of z. Okay, 120 degree. What is left? W. Okay. So we can now find the value of W. How can you find the value of W? You see, A plus W equal to 180 degree by linear pair, and we know the value of A is 100 degree. Just we find here. Okay. So next we will find A plus W equal to (180° by linear pair. Linear pair. The value of A is 100. Okay, plus W equal to 180°. W equal to 180° minus 100 equal to 80°. Okay, so this way we find the value of W. Okay, here in the last page A equal to 100° was the value. That is why I have put here the value of A equal to 100°. Okay, now we know that the sum of the measures of all interior angles equal to x plus y plus z plus w. Now we know the value of this. We can put the value 60° plus 100° plus z value is 120° plus w value is 80°. We can add